For more than 40 years, the biopharm industry has relied on hygienic diaphragm valve technology, which has changed very little. Material improvements have provided incremental advances, but the basic design concept has remained the same. Body, topworks, diaphragm, and 4 fasteners. Although the basic valve design has not changed, industry is demanding improved valve performance. The industry is also striving to extend preventive maintenance intervals and reduce operating costs without affecting drug purity. These demands place a greater challenge on today's valve designs. ITT's breakthrough technology, the Pure-Flo EnviZion, is setting a new standard for the future of hygienic diaphragm valves. The Pure-Flo EnviZion is designed to help customers install, operate, and maintain their valves more efficiently, significantly reducing their total cost of ownership while supporting the industry's goals to increase productivity, improve reliability and cleanability, and reduce operating costs. Today's hygienic diaphragm valves use 4 fasteners to connect the valve body, diaphragm, and topworks. The valve disassembly process is rigorous, and care must be taken when removing and replacing fasteners. Often, diaphragm replacement is complicated by valves that are installed in hard-to-reach locations with limited access. Maintenance professionals in the biopharm industry have confirmed that the average time to replace the diaphragm in today's valve design is approximately 23 minutes. After changing the diaphragm, the fasteners must be evenly tightened to the manufacturer's specifications to ensure a proper seal. These fasteners commonly require a retorque after the system has reached full operating pressure and temperature. Diaphragm replacement is a critical procedure, and improper installation can result in process fluid leaking, system downtime, and increased maintenance cost. The Pure-Flo EnviZion utilizes a stud and key slot concept that allows for quick and easy valve disassembly no matter where the valve is installed. No longer will the challenges of fastener access or handling of loose parts exist, as the fasteners have been eliminated. Diaphragm replacement has been simplified to reduce installation errors, assuring a properly installed diaphragm. No tools required. A simple mount and turn engages the sealing system and provides easy assembly. These design features enable the diaphragm replacement process to occur quickly in approximately 3 minutes. With an innovative bonnet technology, the Pure-Flo EnviZion simplifies diaphragm valve maintenance protocols and significantly reduces maintenance costs. If you compare today's hygienic diaphragm valve with the Pure-Flo EnviZion, it's easy to see the benefits. Today's hygienic diaphragm valves are susceptible to leakage when the seal between the valve body and diaphragm is compromised during thermal cycling, especially for valves with PTFE diaphragms. Hot process fluid flows through the valve during the steam-in-place and clean-in-place processes. This hot fluid causes the bolts and diaphragm to expand and contract at different rates. During each thermal cycle, the diaphragms are compressed, and the materials take a permanent compression set. This thermal cycle-induced compression set may eventually cause fluid to leak between the valve body and diaphragm. The Pure-Flo EnviZion eliminates the effects of thermal cycling with ITT's cold flow control thermal compensation system. Inside the topworks, the cold flow control provides a constant sealing force against the valve body and diaphragm, maintaining a seal over varying operating conditions and eliminating the need to adjust fasteners after thermal cycling. This innovative technology assures body seal reliability across extreme thermal cycling conditions, reducing maintenance hours, commissioning time, and the potential for system contamination. ITT's latest concept in hygienic diaphragm valves, the Pure-Flo EnviZion, is setting a new standard. Experience the future today and reduce your total cost of ownership with the Pure-Flo EnviZion.